everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Pretty Little Thing lookbook and haul. Now, I don't know if you watched my unboxing video, but I was super excited to receive these dresses that I'm about to show you. I love the way they look. I can't wait to try on the rest. I obviously have the first one on and I already love it. And you know what? Let's just get right into the video because I'm excited to try on the dresses. Oh yeah, one thing I didn't mention in my unboxing video, I did order a size 6 in all my dresses, so that is something that I forgot to put in there. And also, shipping was extremely fast. It said it was going to come a week later than when it actually came in, so it is pretty quick. And especially during this quarantine and coronavirus mess, it came very fast. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. All right, let's get into it. So, like I said before, this is the first look. It is a lime green one sleeve dress. It is extremely long on me. I am 5'1", so I'm super short. And it's okay, short people will rule the world one day. Shout out to all my shorties. So if you are taller than me, which most people are, it'll fit you perfectly. I love the way it feels. It is so cute. I'm feeling myself. I love it. Hey. Oh, by the way, I paired this up with these earrings that I made. There's lime green in it. I was just like, oh, this is cute. You see how God works? When I made these earrings, I didn't know what to wear with it. Now look. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I forgot to mention my shoes. They're Steve Madden. And y'all know how I love my Steve Madden. That's my favorite shoe designer. So Steve Madden, you'll see this one day. Hey Steve, sponsor your girl. Just saying. Muy caliente. I think that's how you say it, but if not, yeah. Alright guys, so this is the second look. This is the white dress I was talking about, that the breast part was a little bit too small. I knew it was gonna be too small, so I couldn't wear a bra with it. And also I did say I was gonna put some pasties, but my pasties was too big. It was showing on the sides, so yeah, I had to go, you know, no bra club on them. So this is extremely snug. I wish I would have got me a size 8 instead of a 6. And I also paired this white dress, as you can see, with a Steve Madden orange heels, which is a great statement piece. And I'm also wearing these earrings that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I did show it in my unboxing video. These are actually really cute. They were cute online, they're cuter in person. But yeah, this is the look. So, tell me what you think. Alright you guys, this is the third look, and this is the cheetah print dress. I don't really own, not even really, I don't own anything like this. This is my first animal print dress, which I think is cute. Once again, just like I said about the other dress, I wish some of these dresses I would have got a size 8 because it's very snug on me. But I am going to the gym and been working out frequently, so maybe it'll fit right, or maybe it won't. Hey, it is what it is. Yes, so here's the dress, and I paired it with, you already know, Steve Madden heels, some cheetah print Steve Madden heels that I got from Dillard's. And yeah, with the same earrings, the Pretty Little Thing earrings. I think I'm gonna leave these I think I'm gonna leave these earrings on for the rest of the video. But yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, it's pretty snug. It feels good though. It feels good. Alright, so this is the fourth look. Now, before I get into the breakdown of this outfit, I just want to say this is a size 6 and it fits me perfectly. Like, if I got it in a bigger size, then it would just look too big on me, which is so weird. But anyways, so this dress is the $5 dress, y'all. This is the one I was talking about in the unboxing. The $5 dress. Can't beat that. And I paired it with, you already know, some Steve Madden heels. Yeah, I think I got these from the Steve Madden store in the clearance department. Don't judge me. So yeah, this is the breakdown of the outfit. I like this dress. It's really fits really good, and I feel free. The other two dresses, I was dying, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was dying. And that's my fault. I should have got a bigger size. Well, I won't say 100% my fault. I didn't know. It was my first time ordering from Pretty Little Thing. And this is a size 6, the same size as the other ones. But hey, it is what it is. So next time I know to just order a size 8. But yeah, so I like this dress. You can wear it different ways. You can wear it as a skirt. You can wear it with a jacket. You can wear it with a shirt. I think I'm gonna do a video on that. Different ways to wear a tube top dress. So I hope you guys like this. I think you guys see that I like it. I can breathe in this one. This is look number 5. Once again, this is a size 6 and it fits me well. I don't get it. And I guess it depends on the material, but yeah, it fits well. This is me stepping out of my comfort zone. As you can see, it's very sheer. If you watched my unboxing video, I did show you how it has a panty attached to it. So that's why it's like, just, you know, right here got a little bit of fabric. And right here got a little bit of fabric, and the rest is just, you're showing what your mama gave you, you know? And I paired it with, come on, say it with me, Steve Madden heels. I would say these heels in this outfit is a girls' night out type of dress. This is cute, it stands out. You guys, here I go, thinking I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone with the pink dress. Look at this! Oh my God! Stop staring! Oh my God! This is crazy! And I was actually looking forward to this dress. It's a cute dress, but I don't know about having everything out like this. Good God. Anyways, y'all, last but not least, This is look number 6. As you can see, this is a very, very revealing dress. Pretty little thing. Good God. I paired this dress with some, you don't have to say it with me because it's not Steve Madden. This is actually Jessica Simpson. And these are so cute. These are snake skin. I would say metallic, multicolor heels. Yeah, I don't know. But these are Jessica Simpson. She also have very, very nice shoes. I love her shoes too. So yeah, this is the look. Hope this look better stay down. Now I do want to say this is a size 6 and it fits good. I mean, it's not tight on me. Now this right here, this is not me. My camera had the nerve to turn off on me. You see, even my camera think this is too revealing. Anyways, where was I? I was talking about it. Will I step out the house with this? I don't know. I don't think so. But hey, I bought it. I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm either gonna style it up or do something with it because it's not gonna just sit in my closet. If I do decide to step out the house with it, whew, pray for me, y'all. Pray for me because I feel like everything is out. Yo, my God. Can you believe other people was ordering this? Shame on y'all. You see, I didn't know any better, but y'all did. All right, you guys, this is the end of my lookbook and haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. I'll be doing more unboxing and more hauls and lookbooks for you guys since you guys love it so much. And yeah, bye you guys. I'm about to get up out of this dress because whew, I feel like my mom is about to slap me with the Bible. Bye, guys.